was shocked with how nutrient dense whole soybeans are. Are we still benefiting from these nutrients when we enjoy soy in other more common forms?
That's a good question. Yeah, I don't there's not a ton of ways that we just eat mature soybeans. They tend to be processed before we eat them. They're either fermented into something like tempeh or natto, or they're processed into something like tofu, which is really just the protein part of the soy. So depending on the processing, the more you discard, the more nutrients are discarded. So, yes, like you are losing some of the vitamins, the minerals, the cool phytonutrients like isoflavones. So some of that you're losing. And it just kind of depends on what soy product we're talking about. But the two things in soy that seem to be particularly nutritionally important. One is that soy is a complete protein, and it's one of small handful of complete plant proteins, so beneficial protein. Um, a lot of soy products have a really good amount of fiber. They tend to have some vitamins and minerals, including being really good sources of some minerals that are harder to get. And then the other, like, really cool thing they have is this class of phytonutrients called isoflavones, which, have a lot of health benefits. So it kinda depends on the processing. So, tofu, you are still getting the protein, you are still getting the isoflavones, you're not getting the fiber. Something like soy nuts, you're getting a lot of those nutrients. Something like tempeh or natto, you're getting most of those nutrients. So all soy products have been associated with health benefits in the scientific literature, with the exception of soy protein isolate, which is more health neutral. So as long as you're getting those isoflavones, you're getting benefit of the soy product. But whether or not you're getting all those nutrients is very dependent on exactly which soy product we're talking about and how extensively it was processed.